Yo, what's up guys? This is Bart here from IQOptionWiki.com. Thank you for watching. And in this video, I want to talk a little bit about the market hours. Market hours are very important. It's very important to understand that the whole world has different markets. You have the Asian market, the US market, the European market, and those markets influence each other. Especially it is important by currency trading like Forex. And what you need to understand is that also with Bitcoin, this influences the market, because when the Asian people are online, these influences the market, and then when the Asian people go to sleep and then the Americans wake up, this gives volatility, and you need to understand where this is coming from. Now on our website we have a great article that explains a little bit more about how this works with this nice picture here, Forex market hours and whatnot. And what we did by IQOptionWiki.com, one of our technical coders, he developed this very easy, simple Forex market hour overlaps clock. And what you can do is you can open this clock in a smaller window, go to trading tools. That's where you can find it, by the way. Our free trading tools, we have a bunch of them. And what it shows you is a currency overlaps. So first you're going to set up this to your own time. I'm currently at Europe Sofia because I'm in Bulgaria at the moment. In a week or so we'll move again, but that's just my lifestyle. And I just like to put it here down below the IQ Option platform. Not too important, but you can see here the tree is now red, and that means that the GDP is active, and the Australian yen, Europe is about to open, and we have the yen is active, and the Singaporean currency. At the moment the yen, for example, now is closing. That means it can give a lot of volatility in that currency, and especially when, for example, the US dollar euro currency, if you look here, US dollar and euro, when they're both active, that can give a lot of volatility. When the market's closing, when one of both markets are closing, that can give some volatility. So you need to be aware of that, and just keep an eye on that, and just be aware that there is volatility at certain times of the market. And that's why we created that Forex market hour clock. And maybe you like to use it, maybe you don't like to use it, but it's certainly a very good indicator to have a look at every now and then, to see what times you like to trade, and what currencies are active at that time, and what volatility to expect at that. But it's also something you need to learn over a period of time. You need to learn to see, to look at markets and to identify where's the big volatility, where's the smaller volatility, and how does that work. That was it for this video. If you like this, like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Practice always with a demo account. Link is in the description. And happy trading.